Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to cook raw sea moss. Soak cleaned sea moss in spring water for 12 hours, then rinse well and trim any discolored bits. Use a clear bowl and cover loosely to allow mild brine flavors to soften. This step hydrates the moss and makes it safe and pleasant to cook. Keep the mood relaxed and treat the moss gently so it keeps its natural texture and nutrients. After soaking, add sea moss to a saucepan with fresh water at a roughly 1:2 ratio, then set the heat to low. Simmer gently for about 25 minutes while stirring occasionally to ensure even softening and to prevent clumping. Remove from heat once the moss turns translucent and feels soft between fingers. Cool slightly before blending into a smooth gel for smoothies, desserts, or topical use with a neutral flavor profile. Once cooked, move the warm sea moss and its liquid to a blender and process until silky smooth, usually about a minute. Blending while warm helps create a consistent gel, so add extra water if it seems too thick. Pour the gel into sterilized jars and cool to room temperature before refrigerating. Use within 3 weeks for best freshness, or freeze portions in ice cube trays for easy dosing in recipes without flavor changes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.